This is Danya reporting from the All-Star News. Here at the news station, we just received some breaking weather news. Here are Alex and Emma. We report on sense of this winter storm.
Here are 3 ways you can stay safe during a storm. Stay inside, go downstairs, and get out of cars. Now here is Emma with a description of this terrible storm.
We are about to have a terrible winter storm caused by warm and cold air mixing together. Plan to see extreme snow and fast, cold, howling wind. Back to Danya.
Wait, is that it? Yeah, that's it. Go back. That's it. That's mine. Thanks, Emma. Be sure to follow those safety procedures. Here is one interesting fact about winter storms. The greatest snowfall in 24 hours was at Silver Lake, Colorado in 1921 with 75.8 inches. Now we have Emma here with another interesting fact.
Thank you, Danya. The interesting fact I would like to share is skin exposed to extreme wind chill will freeze in less than 30 minutes.
With proper preparation, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at the All-Star News for...
This is Brock reporting from the Hurricane Trackers. Here at the news station, we just received some breaking weather news. Here is Joshua and Ava reporting on the scene of the hurricane.
Here is how you stay safe during a hurricane. Get in your basement when you're told by the meteorologist. Now here is Ava with a description of this terrible storm.
Hurricanes look like it's rainy, cloudy, and bad outside. Sounds like big waves and great floods. Back to you, Brock.
Thanks, Ava. Be sure to follow those safety procedures. Here's one interesting fact about the hurricane. The storm can break a house by all the wind and the rain. Here's Ellie with another interesting fact.
Thank you, Brock. Interesting fact I would like to share is after the eye is the worst part. With proper protection, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue the check in with us. Here is a hurricane trackers for the most current and late breaking news on this storm.
Bye.
This is Evan reporting from the Storm Team 12. Here at the news station, we just received some breaking weather news. Here are Alec and Natalie to report the scene of the lightning.
Here are some safety rules to follow when there is lightning. Keep away from windows, keep away from doors, turn off electricity. Now here is Natalie with a description of this terrible storm.
Lightning looks bright with thunder hitting. There is a mix of cold air and hot air and rain. Back to you, Alec.
Thanks, Natalie, but be sure to follow those safety procedures. Here is one interesting fact about lightning. Almost every day someone gets struck by lightning. Now we have Natalie here with another interesting fact.
Thank you, Alec. The important fact I would like to share is at any moment there are 20,000 lightning storms.
With proper preparation, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at the Storm Team 12 for the most current and late breaking news on this storm. Bye. This is John reporting from the Fox News. Here at the Fox News, we just received some breaking weather news. Here are Andrew and Kinsley to report on the scene of the flash floods.
Make sure you stay safe by following these tips. First, stay on high ground. Second, do not stay by windows. Last, use an umbrella. Now here is Kinsley with a description of this terrible storm.
This flood sounds like a lot of rain coming from the sky. The water is rising. Back to you, John.
Thanks, Kinsley, but sure to follow these safety predictions. Here is one interesting fact about flash floods. It can wipe a car off the road. We have Andrew here with another interesting fact.
Thank you, John. The interesting fact I would like to share is there are tons of rain on the road. With proper preparation, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at the Fox News for the most current and late-breaking news on this storm.
Bye, everybody.
This is Mariah reporting from the tornado station. Here at the news station, we just received some breaking weather news. Here is Abby and Malachi to report on the scene of the tornado. Here is how to stay safe during a tornado. Stay at the lowest level possible. Listen to the radio. Cover your head with hands or a blanket. Now here's Malachi with a description of this terrible storm. Tornadoes have a fully shaped cloud called by wind and rain. There are really strong winds, and it can
sound like a train. Back to you, Mariah.
Thanks, Malachi. Be sure to follow those safety procedures. Here is one interesting fact about tornadoes. It can pick heavy things up off the ground. Now we have Abby here with another interesting fact. Thank you, Mariah. Here's an interesting fact I would like to share is tornadoes can really damage things.
With proper preparation, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at the tornado station for the most current and late-breaking news on this storm.
Bye.